10 interesting facts about drones. Israel is the largest manufacturer and exporter of military and defense drones. The USA-made MQ-9 Reaper costs approximately $14 million, is the most expensive military drone. Nowadays, the world armies are using armed drones in countless missions. Yet, the credit goes to the USA for using the armed drones for the first time in pursuit of Osama Bin Laden. Drones have utility in environmental surveillance as well. Humanitarian causes like delivering food and aid to remote areas. Drones also help in farming. Nowadays, farmers are using drones to map out their crops. Farmers are monitoring irrigation and applying pesticides using drones. They are also using drones to monitor crops and making timely interventions. Some retailers and restaurants have started using drones to deliver their products. News agencies and sport tournaments organizers are using drones for covering events. Event organizers are using drones for photography and light and sound shows. Cinema industry is using drones for capturing beautiful cinematic shots.